Hey guys, welcome to my channel Unique. Today channel Unique. Today I'm Hey guys, welcome to my channel Unique. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windows 10 on Mac for free. So first you have to download the Windows 10 operating system from the link in the description below. First select the edition of the Windows, which is obviously Windows 10. Then click on confirm. Select the language here. I will select English here, but if you prefer any other language, then you can select another one. Confirm. So here I have 64-bit download and 32-bit download. I will suggest you for 64-bit download, but if you don't have that much good configuration in your Mac, so you can definitely select 32-bit download. So now you can see the download has been started. So now the download has been fully completed and it took me an hour to complete the download, and I am going to install it now. So first you have to open the launchpad and search for boot campuses. Open it and click on continue. So here you can see a partition between Mac OS and Windows storage, and here I will suggest you to keep at least 50 gigabytes of storage free for your Windows if you have a 256 GB Mac. Click on next. So now the installation has been started and it will take a while. Almost completed now. And yes, it has been completed and it is automatically going for restart. So you can see the Microsoft logo here. Setup is starting. And so now you have to select the language to install, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. So I will keep the language English, but I will change the time and currency format. Here it is. And I will also change the keyboard or input method. So here it is, English, and I will click on next. Just click on the option I don't have a product key. Select the operating system here. Here you can choose Windows 10 Pro or any other type of Windows 10, but let me keep it Windows 10 Home only. I accept the license terms and next. So it will take a lot of time here. It's the final step. So now it's going for restart again. almost ready for configuration, and here we go. Let me just skip Cortana for now. And you have to select your region here. Yes, it is the right keyboard layout. Skip. So connect it to your Wi-Fi, or you can do it later with this option. I don't have internet. Click on next. Guys, here you have to keep your Microsoft account. If you don't have, then you have to create one. Give your email address here. Give a password. You have to give your country and date of birth here. Create pin. Click on OK. Don't change anything here and just click next. Give your phone number here. Click on accept. Let's just skip Cortana for now. Alright guys, now Windows is starting. So guys, welcome to your Windows. Now before doing anything, let's do this. Click on next. I accept. Install. Guys, guys, before doing anything in your Windows, make sure you do this, or else you will not be able to switch between your Mac and Windows. Click on finish, and yes, this is the final restart, and now you can do anything with your Windows or Mac. Give the pin, so guys, now I will show you how you can switch between your Mac and Windows. Go to the menu, click on the power button and go to restart. So what you have to do is, whenever the screen will glow, then you have to press the option button. So now from here you can choose whether you will use Windows or Mac. And by clicking on any option, the particular operating system will open. As you can see here, the Mac is opening again. So guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you liked it. So please like, share and comment my video and do subscribe the Unique channel. More videos coming for you.